Namaste and welcome to my 30-second book synopsis. The name of the book is 1984 and it was published in 1949 by author George Orwell, who wrote a famous book, Animal Farm, in 1945. Animal Farm tells a story of a group of farm animals who rebel against their human owner, hoping to create a society where animals will be equal, free, and happy. Ultimately, their rebellion is betrayed. The farm ends up in the as bad state as earlier it was. Only difference, now they are ruled by a pig called Napoleon. It is said that this was a satire on Russian Revolution and the rule of Stalin. Now let's go back to the book. The story takes place in the imagined world in 1984 in Oceania. The main character of this book is Winston Smith, who works in a government department. Oceania is the super state, and Great Britain, where the story happens, is now known as Airstrip 1. The other two superstates are East Asia and Eurasia. Oceania consists of United States, Latin America, and British Commonwealth. The superstate is governed by a party called as Big Brother. The government is a totalitarian, having a mass surveillance and a repressive regimentation against all its persons in the society. Winston works in the Ministry of Truth. This ministry is concerned with news, entertainment, education, and fine arts. What does this ministry do? Example. Let us say a ministry has announced or government has announced that the rate of growth of the country for next year will be, say, 5%. However, in reality, if it happens that they achieve only 4%, what this ministry will do, it will go back to the records, change all the records from 5% to 4%, 3%, and then show that we had said 3%, but we have achieved 4%. So ministry basically replaces all the records from print media, from electronic media, everywhere, and changes it to bring the truth to be known to people. They do everything to suit the current government, including changing the history as well. That is what this typically ministry does. You can see how dangerous it is. The other three departments are primarily Ministry of Peace, which handles war, Ministry of Love, which maintains law and order, and Ministry of Plenty, which is responsible for economic affairs. In the newspeak, they are known as Mini True, Mini Pax, Mini Love, and Mini Plenty. I'll explain to you what is the meaning of newspeak. The opening chapter shows that Winston is at his home and is watching telescreen. Telescreen is an instrument where, or like a television, where various programs of government happen. You do not have choice what to see. You have to see what is shown to you. And at the same time, somebody watches you also from the ministry. From the government, there are cameras available in the telescreen. He is shown that after the telescreen is off, say at 11 o'clock in the night, he then starts to write a diary, which itself is a rebellion act. It is shown that Winston does not remember which year is that when he writes. He has to think that it was 1984 when he starts writing the diary. So in the opening chapter, it is shown that Winston is a kind of rebellious person who does not believe fully in the philosophy of this particular government and still has some thoughts about the history, about what life was earlier when he was born somewhere in 1950. He is shown as 34 years old gentleman. He then meets a lady or a young woman 10 years older, younger than him, in a 2-minute hate speech. 2-minute hate, not speech, 2-minute hate is an activity which happens every day where a ministry or any where on the telescreen it is shown that our rebellious leaders like Goldstein, who was earlier with this party. However, now he has become villain. How he is bad and how we are supposed to hate him, and how we are at war with him. So basically, 2 minute hate is a government propaganda to show how the earlier party or earlier person who was originally with this party but now he's become a fugitive, how he is bad and we are supposed to hate him, and people's angers are aroused out of that 2 minute hate speech. He meets Julia in this and they instantly fall in love. In fact, he takes a place also, he hires a place which ideally is not supposed to do, and secretly they meet there and even make love. They meet one more person after some years, some days, known as O'Brien. O'Brien is a senior functionary from inner party. Inner party are the people who actually run the government. However, O'Brien is a person who believes again that the Goldstein is a correct one and not this particular party. So he meets Julia as well as O'Brien, as well as Winston at his home, and then subsequently arranges to give him a book written by Goldstein so that he can understand what is that we'll have to do in order to bring down this government. Winston very well knows that all these acts are not correct as far as this government is concerned, and he may be severely punished if he gets caught. However, he arranges to do all this or manages to do everything very secretly, is what he thinks. However, as expected, he gets caught one day by thought police, and then his ordeal begins. From the physical punishment to electric shocks to brainwashing, everything is done to him. He is severely punished, and even to the extent that he is nearly fed to the rats alive. That is the ultimate punishment for everybody. After their brains are washed and cleaned, and clearly they are informed that what they earlier believed was wrong and the party is right. However, somehow he survives by giving an apology, what is required by the government, and he is released. At the end, it is shown that Winston also has become a person without any thoughts of whatsoever and is fully compliant on whatever Big Brother party says and believes. This book ends here indicating that the submission is the only way or only option to stay alive. The book explains how authoritative regime even tries to change even the English language, and it is now called as Newspeak. What does this have? What happens in this? In this particular area, they say that it will be completely changed by 2050, where there will be only few words in the English and many other words of English will be removed. Why? One of the reason is not even allow people to think beyond a particular level, and hence just does not allow them to think what they can think. One of the ways in which to curtail the probably future rebellion. If they do not know many words, even they may not be able to think and they may not be able to even do any of the action. Whether it is great or bad, individually we have to think about. So basically, the Big Brother party wants all to be always obedient to the party, accept whatever food is given to them, believe in the history that is told to them, make them believe that they are always in the state of war with some of the superstates. The book shakes you up as what the imagining capability of this person, what can happen 35 years down the line. At the same time, you never know that in some countries, say theoretically, maybe North Korea, I do not know, this may actually be happening. Okay. Just for the information, Time Magazine has included this book as the top 100 books from the English language novels from 1923 to 2005. So this, though technically is a novel, it can come to a reality at any point of time. Thank you so much for listening to me. I will publish this on my YouTube channel, LinkedIn, as well as on Facebook. Thank you so much.